What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. And today we got some phones, more phones mining. We have added another one to the fleet, and this one is the TCL A3. Talked about this in a previous video. Yeah, I'm getting to the point where I definitely will need a little bit of airflow. I'm gonna put a kilowatt meter on the fan that I use in here. This is the fan that I leave on most of the time, so it seems to be helping already. But with no fan and no back plate on this phone, because it ships with no back plate on it, you have to put the battery in, which I thought that's kind of cool. So you don't have to try to pry it off. Sorry about that. The recording messed up, but with the back plate off and all cores enabled, it is running slightly warm. It was getting up to 38 degrees Celsius, and I noticed the hash rate was coming down. So with them sitting right here and my fan on low, blowing across them, it's not an optimal setup. I was thinking I might actually get like a pegboard right here, and like I could zip tie them to the pegboard. That way I could have like a fan behind them or something like that. So yeah, something to hang them up, and that way I can blow air like down, or just even blowing air across them if they're not on the actual like bench would probably be better. I'm still only running 5 cores on the flip. Now temperature seems to be doing a lot better now that I have that fan up and going. I'll wait and see how it does through the heat of tomorrow. Temperature is doing better on the Note. It's 29, 31 degrees Celsius on the TCL. 3.3 mega hash is what it's currently at. I turned it off and turned it back on earlier. With it sitting directly in front of the fan, it does right at 4.2 mega hash, give or take. So I have seen where people said that they can get them up to 5 mega hash. But yeah, that's kind of the issue I'm having, is I guess that is throttling itself thermally, which stinks a little bit. But yeah, so one thing at a time. Now we are going to be adding this S9 to the fleet, because I did order myself a new personal phone. And by the way, guys, somebody was saying don't go out and buy these phones for mining Varus because it's not profitable, and it is not profitable. I'll pull up my pool stats and show you what these 3 phones are actually making, so bear with me. All right, shout out to one of the subscribers. They mined on my pool for a little while, but it's been off long enough that it won't affect my 2-hour average, which is at 4.8 mega hash currently with the flip, the Note 5. I need to rename that one to the TCL A3. If we go over to the Varus mining calculator, 4.8 mega hash. We're not going to take power into account because I need to put a kilowatt meter on that power strip to see what everything's pulling. But we are making right at 3.1 cents a day. So a horribly low amount of US dollars per day, or 0.07 Varus coin per day, or 0.5 or half a Varus coin per week. Hopefully that'll get better once I add this phone, and once I can turn some more cores on those with some better cooling. Look, the mega hash is already coming up on that just by having better cooling. That thing was rested at around like 2.5, 2.4 all the time. So it's nice to see that with a little bit of active air goes a long way. I know that does burn power, so that hurts the efficiency, and then we end up not making money. But spoiler alert, guys, these aren't making money as they are right now anyway. We are doing a little bit of hobby, speculative, hodl mining, basically. I'm mining these coins. I am not selling them because I think Varus potentially could be worth more, and it is fun. So we'll check back in. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Would love to hear them. Adios.